Hi, this is how you set up a new order in order entry in your online office. So if you go back to your main page and you scroll down under business management, you will see the order entry option. And then you will see new order here and your order date. The order date can be adjusted, and I have created another video to kind of share the ins and outs about that. But for this being April, I'm actually going to set this for the end of April. There is a reason why I did not start it on the 1st of April, and again, I can share that in another video, or you can ask questions if you have them. I always do like to list them on my website, and that is so it allows me to create any group orders where I want to combine total orders that have been submitted in order to redeem for Close to My Heart cash, half off items, and other rewards. So here I'm just going to type this in, title it as April orders here. And again, make sure you check that box. If you were to not check the box, you cannot come back to check the box. What you would have to do if you chose is to delete the unchecked submission and then go ahead and type it in correctly. So I'm going to go ahead and click Add Customers. And at this point, I don't have to do anything else here until I'm ready to close out the order, which will be another video. I'm going to go back here to home and I'm going to start another new order. Again, dating it for the end of the month. I'm going to list it and I'm going to say Club 30 for April. And this is for one of my hostess clubs. We can talk about information about that at a later time, but I have and do suggest to team members that you have at least a couple of orders established for a month because it does allow flexibility for group orders and being strategic in when and how you complete them. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Again, this is just the simple way to set up an order in order entry. Thank you.